Is this the beef?
It is the beef.
Oh my God. We are here at Mr. Beef, an absolute icon in this community. It is packed. This is one of those times where it's standing room only, busy, fast-moving pace.
People are ready to pass out over here.
All right, relax.
I'll see if I can keep up. It's road tripping, it's food tripping, it's day tripping with Heinz Verified.
This is Chicago's staple food, Italian beef.
Oh my God. It doesn't get juicier than this. There's a crunch to the, is that celery?
That is. It's more about a crunch. Ours is not real hot. They always wanted you to be able to taste the beef and not just have the hotness of the pepper kill the taste of the beef.
How many variations do you guys do?
There's a combo, there's Italian sausage, there's Polish sausage, hot dogs, burgers. We have a grilled chicken sandwich, we have barbecue beef.
With the amount of food you guys go through every single day, you must be getting new ingredients in all the time.
Yeah, I mean, that beef that you're eating right there, if it wasn't sliced this morning, it was sliced yesterday. So it was like
fresh,
cooked
always.
The day before, sliced the next day, and boom. I mean, it's fast.
Chicago is such a food town, and Mr. Beef may be one of the most iconic places in the whole city.
It's just like a mom and pop shop, you know, where
Still
there's only one. Just doing the same thing every day that they've been doing since 1979, yep. Everything out there has changed drastically. In here, same recipe, same ingredients, same everything. All right, I'm bringing you somewhere special now. Not everybody gets to do this. This is the gold right here. This is what it's all about.
Is this the beef?
It is the beef.
This is Mr. Beef's beef.
Mr. Beef's beef right in here.
I am honored, sir.
We're gonna open it up.
Oh. Here we go. You gotta be highly skilled in this one.
All right, beautiful.
There it is. See, I can already tell they're tender.
Oh yes.
And tell me about this liquid here.
This is the gravy. This is what makes the beef the beef.
It's like juices from the beef itself have been
Juices
cooked.
from the beef, added water, and the spices that I can't tell you what they are because it's a secret.
Top secret.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant.
Now, pour it in there.
Woo! Do additional seasonings, salts and stuff go into that?
Nope. It's
Pure,
done now.
Straight out of the oven. I am so excited about that beef. Any chance I can go up front and see how the whole sandwich gets made and maybe try it myself?
I think we can teach you how to do that up there. I think we can show you some things.
Yes, okay.
All right, sounds good.
Do it.
What'd you say?
Oh, so either.
There you go.
Right?
Just the fries, you missing anything else? Thank you. Let's teach you how to make beef.
Everything on it?
No, just ketchup.
All right, so first you take the fork, you kind of stir this up. Give it a little twirl like that, and you give it a little dip.
On the ends.
On the ends. That's just a regular dip. You could baptize it. That some people, they want it held under there, like drowning.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's sweet peppers, so they got cooked down, and boom, they go right on there.
One pepper.
And you just wrap it up. We'll give it a double wrap because it's a little wet. And that's it. It's a beef sweet. Beef sweet, G.
All right. How you doing over there?
We're having a good time. Look at, he's professional. Look at this.
The way people were ordering, they knew the call outs, they knew the names of things.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like they've done it 100 times.
Absolutely. There's a lot of those. A lot of regulars in here.
Sweet, hot, or both? One beef or
They got
two?
cooked down.
You guys are hurting my head right now. That's all I can tell you. I need
That's nice. Very nice.
hot, please.
Both sweet and hot. Gotcha.
And then just
There we
give it a
go.
little
That
dip each end, just a light.
There's some
Yes,
technique to it.
that way.
too.
Yeah, it'll take
And
a
then
minute. You're
dip.
gonna get it.
Okay.
People are ready to pass out over here.
All right, G. Relax. Here's one sweet and hot, G. One bear.
Nice.
Second one's gonna come right now.
Fast.
All right.
Okay, here
Beautiful.
we go.
G.
That is,
He's got you.
I got you here with the hot and sweet.
Guys, right here, you got two.
There's yours getting sold right there.
That was Mr. Beef, which was a religious experience. They even literally baptized some sandwiches in there. Managed to make and sell my first sandwich of my life. And wow, I'm just excited to go to the next stop.
Hey, Steven, what's up? I got your takeout right here.
Thank you so much. It smells amazing. Tell me about this.
So we have our signature honey butter fried chicken in there, fried chicken strips, some of our corn muffins, and our honey butter. We have some of our French fries, a little bit of ketchup, and some of our pimento mac and cheese, and some dipping sauces.
Tell me about the honey butter fried chicken. That's the first time I've heard of that.
It's amazing flavor combination. So we got the sweet, salty honey butter. We're getting our honey and butter from local farmers in Wisconsin. We got our fried chicken. It's crispy, it's spiced, and when you put them together, it is chef's kiss, delicious.
We're gonna enjoy this a lot.
I hope you do.
I've got some gifts. I'll be right back with them.
Okay.
All right, some of our favorite sauces.
Amazing. This is so much ketchup. Thank you so much.
There's one more thing. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
People dream about this. What do you think?
Is that what I think it is?
It's the one and only.
It's beautiful.
Enjoy.
I will.
Brandy, I have some good stuff for you. There it is. In there are some chicken strips. There's some mac and cheese that looked amazing. Look at those. Perfectly seasoned. You're getting skinny. So the next location we're going to is. Oh my! I didn't realize the traffic.
This is amazing.
Yeah, we gotta go now. Good. Okay, off we go. All right, come on, quick! Start the car. Let's go.